Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make YouTube shorts in DaVinci Resolve. You can also make TikToks using the same exact method. As you can see, we technically have a file open, but if you didn't have a file open, you'd go to File, then you'd go to New Project. Let's name it, let's see, Shorts, and that would be the new project. It would create a new project. Now we can, as you can see, nothing popped up. Nothing fancy or anything popped up for us at all. So what do we do, right? Well, we can simply we can do it multiple ways. We could go to file and whatnot, but the easiest method will be to come down here to the gear icon right here, project settings. This is what we will want to do, okay? We will want to hit custom. And then for custom, and this is very important, you will do 1080 by 1920. So let's go ahead and put in right now 1080 by 1920. That will make it so it is a vertical video because that's what we want. Vertical video. We can keep everything else the same as it is. We don't have to change anything else. We hit save, it becomes a vertical video. Let's import our media, shall we? Now I just dragged and dropped something in that I actually recorded for the sake of basically making it a YouTube short, actually. So we're going to drag this here. I don't need the audio, so I'm just going to go ahead and actually, you know what? We're just going to get rid of the audio altogether. We're going to unlink those clips, then we're going to delete it. So no audio for us. We don't need the audio. We're going to delete the empty track. There we go. We have this video. Now, I know what you're thinking. The video is, right now, these black bars on the top and bottom. You don't want those. The reason they appear is because this video was recorded in a in a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So simply, we come over here to the transform tool. If the inspector isn't clicked, just click the inspector. And then while we have this track selected, this video track selected, we go to zoom, okay? And then we just drag it up until the black bars aren't visible. And then we can even play around with the position X and Y till we get them exactly how we want. Hey, we want that to be a little bit down more. Maybe we want it zoomed in a bit more, so, and then we decide, maybe that's too much. We want this to go up a little bit more. Maybe it's over just a tad more, and there we go. We looked in the whole video, see if everything good the way we want it. It is perfect. Now we could just extract it here if we want to, or we could play around with some effects. We could, add another layer. We could go over here to the effects and just add some quick effects here as we would want. As you see, if you hover over them, it adds the effect. So if we go ahead, add that, then we have this. That looks like a pretty nice YouTube short. So let's say we got that just how we want it. We click the Deliver tab, okay? Right over here, click on Deliver. You can choose the in-out range. By default, though, it will be entire timeline. Keep it on entire timeline. Now, it right here, custom export. What you'll want to do is to, you know, this will be your option by default. You want to come down here and do the same that your timeline is. So you want to do 1080 by 1920. Okay, this is very important. This is what will enable you to be able to actually export it at the correct vertical video resolution you need for YouTube Shorts. And we will keep that there. Now, if you don't have any audio connected like I do, I recommend clicking on this audio and just uncheck this so it won't export the audio. It will only export the video. And then, save it to whatever location you want. Name it whatever you want. Personally, I recommend clicking the 3 and saving it as a new preset. Call it YouTube Short or TikTok or whatever, just so you don't have to, change it each time. And yeah, then you'll add it, and then, just hit render all, and it will render to your location. And yeah, hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. If you want any other tutorials in the future on DaVinci Resolve or anything really, just let me know. Comment section below. I'll see what I can do. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.